Here's how simple it is to use YouTube to build your own media company that you can use to free yourself financially once and for all. Jessica is the mother of two young children, which means she's the busiest person on the planet. If she can do this, anybody can do this. We started with her cooking show. This is how she'll market her business and get the whole world's attention because everybody loves a cooking show. And cooking shows make money, which is why you see them all over TV on every network and streaming platform. So we put Jessica's cooking show on the biggest video streaming platform in the world, YouTube. And about half of YouTube viewers watch YouTube on their TV, so Jessica has a cooking show on TV. She didn't have to audition for it. She didn't have to get anybody's permission or approval. She just started recording and putting the videos on YouTube, and now she has a cooking show on TV. And just like you see on TV, Jessica pays for her cooking show through advertising. But instead of advertising someone else's products and services, she promotes her own business, as you see her doing here.
And we're going to let them do that. And I'm going to just put the spatula down because I don't need to mess with this anymore. I don't. But I want it to cook down, you know? All right, so that can stay there. There we go. All right. Are you pregnant? Congratulations. Listen, I know there's a lot of thoughts going through your head right now. You're probably thinking, damn, what do I have to do? What haven't I done? Is this going to be hard? Am I going to be able to do it? Yes, you can. I believe in you. You can do this. Take a deep breath. Relax. This is a beautiful time in your life. It can go by quickly. So make sure you enjoy it. Make sure you embrace what's happening to your body. You are creating life. Yo, that's pretty real, okay? However, you have questions. We have developed a community for you to give you all the guidance that you need to make this journey as simple as possible. So go ahead and click that link in the description box below and join us. Join us in our community to help you make this a wonderful experience for you. All right, I'll see you there. So what the plan is, we are going to get the noodles cooked.
That private membership community for moms is what Jessica's business really is. That business is what will free her financially and pay the college tuitions of her little people. And this is a business that she'll run from the comfort of her home. And how does she know how to build a business like this? She doesn't. That's why she hired me as her business coach instead of struggling to try to figure all this out by herself. Now let's talk about that couch she's sitting on, because that's her Oprah couch. Later this year or maybe next year, Jessica will be hosting her own talk show on that couch. It's going to be a show focusing on moms and featuring moms as guests, as well as various types of professionals who moms need on their team. Because it does take a village, and Jessica is going to use her cooking show and her talk show and her private membership community to help moms build their supportive village. And she's going to have the time of her life doing it because this will be the most fun, most fulfilling work she's ever done. And she's going to make a fortune doing it because that's what happens when you build your own media company. You own everything, including your time. And owning your time is the key to living a fantastic life. If this sounds like something you want for yourself, use the link below to get started.